Hey girls, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you how to check if your phone is hacked or not. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to check if your phone is compromised or has been hacked by someone, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, the first thing that you want to do here is you may want to check all the apps that is currently installed in your device. Now, sometimes certain, let's just say websites unknowingly install certain apps into your phone, and sometimes reviewing those apps is a great help or a great thing that you should be doing consistently. So in this case, the first thing that you may want to do here is you want to go to your settings and you want to go and scroll down a bit here and look for the app section or the application section here. Go and click on apps, and you want to go and just basically review all the apps that you currently have right now. So it might take a while, but you may need to push through into this one. So once you do see one of the apps here that you don't recognize, you can go and just basically click on it or press on it and just click on the uninstall button. Now once you've done that, you may want to also restart your phone just to refresh the system on your phone. Now, another thing that you may want to do here is you may want to physically check your phone. So check your microphone, check your camera, and see if you see any lights or small lights. Now, typically it's going to be a small white light or a red light on your phone. And if you do see any kind of light flashing in your camera, in your front camera or back camera, it means that your phone is currently active, and meaning someone is using your camera, even spying on you. So in this case, what you need to do is you want to go and just basically restart your phone immediately. So depending on your phone, you may need to press the volume up and power button at the same time and just go to the reboot button here. So slide down or even up and just reboot your phone. And once you've done that, you want to go and open up your settings here. And again, you may want to go ahead and just scroll through your settings, and you want to go and look for the privacy section here. Click on privacy. You want to go and click on the permission manager. And inside permission manager, you want to go and choose camera. Now from here, you may want to review all the apps that has permission on that apps that has permission on your camera. So in this case, you may want to make sure that you allow access only while you're using it. So in this case, if you do recognize some apps here that you didn't provide any permission, you may want to go and just select or click on it and just make sure to choose the don't allow option you see at the very bottom of your screen. And once you've done that, you may want to uninstall the app as well and see if that helps. Now, another thing that you may want to do here is you may need to install some security software. So sometimes security software kind of slow down your phone, but again, it helps you protect you from certain attacks. And also, you may want to update your phone. So go to the About section here, and if you do see any options or button or any notifications here that you need to update your phone, go and press the update button and just wait for a while and restart your phone. Now, sometimes your phone or the manufacturer of your phone provides certain updates that helps you protect from hackers, but in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.